Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Ford F-250. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.